Hey guys, we are going to talk about the function extension of obstacle avoidance, how to modify the detection threshold of ultrasonic sensor. Okay, click to enter the XL terminal on desktop. Enter commands to come to the category of game program. Then enter commands to go into the game program through VI editor. Look at the 23rd line. The default measured range set by the program is 40 cm. We are going to revise the range to 50 cm as example. Press I to enter the editing mode, then modify the data from 40 to 50. Please note that the modification range should be between 30 and 60 cm. After modifying, press ESC to enter last line command mode. Input colon WQ to save the file and exit the editor. Now, start again. The default measured range will be changed from 14 cm to 50 cm. Well, this is the end of the video. Now please have a try.